Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at HTML attributes. HTML attributes. So HTML attributes they modify an HTML element or add extra functionality to HTML elements. Alright, so let's look at this example. Let's open our browser and go to Google homepage. Let's open our browser and go to Google homepage. Let me show you something that's been done by an HTML attribute. Alright, so if you are the homepage of Google's homepage, so you could see the Google text written down there before the input box, right? So if you hover over it, you could see something is always popping up. Yeah, there's a small box showing Google on it, right? As you're seeing it, good. So this particular functionality is being done by an HTML attribute. Okay, so like I said, HTML it modifies an HTML element or add functionalities to a default HTML element. So let's look at one. So one of the ones we're looking at today would be title attributes. So let's go to our subline, alright? So let's create a new file, then save it. So I'm going to save it as attributes.html. Alright. Good. So let's come up with our basic structure. Exactly. So let's title this attributes. So before we look at one of the attributes, one example of attributes always come in an open tag. It always comes in the open tag. Remember, HTML tags have the open and the close tag. So attributes always come in the open tag. So good. So one of the attributes we're looking at today is what we call the title attributes. An attribute comes with two values. It comes in two pairs. So the name of the attribute slash the value. So it comes in two pairs. The name of the attribute you want to use and the value for it. So let's use the h1 tag here. Let's say my name is whatever your name is, AK. Alright, good. So we have an HTML element that says my name is AK, the h1 tag. Alright, so now, like I said, the first attribute we're going to look at is the title attribute, and I said attribute always comes in the open tag. Alright, so let's go into our open tag. And I said attribute comes in pairs. The name of the attribute you want to use and the value. So the name of the attribute I want to use is what we call the title attribute. TITLE, okay, equals to quotation mark. Exactly. So the name of the attribute I'm using now is title. Now the value of the attribute comes inside of the quotation mark. So let me say this is my name. Alright. So because of this particular attribute that has been added to this particular HTML element, every time a guest hovers over this information, what pops up is this is my name, or whatever value of attribute, whatever value of title attribute you give yours. Alright, so let's save it. Now let's open on our browser. So right click, open in browser. Alright, so good. So you can see. So like I said, whenever you hover over the information on screen, you see the title attributes functionality or its effect. So you can see I'm hovering over it. So you can see this is my name. Every time I hover over it, it's going to say this is my name. The same thing we saw on the Google homepage. Anytime you hover over Google, a small 2T box pops up and showing you Google. So that's the same thing. So there are various kinds of HTML attributes. There's the sroc attribute, there's href attributes. There's also the width attribute and height attribute. We'll be looking at that when we go further into using various HTML elements. Like when we're learning how to add an image to our web page, we'll see other attributes in place. But for now, we're just looking at the title attribute and we have seen the effect. Don't forget, attributes always comes in the open tag. Thank you.